I have not been into Nordstrom's Rack in so long, so let's go inside and see what we can find. I'm really excited about this. Let's get inside. It's cold. I don't even know where to start. Quite honestly, let's check out their glasses. Of course, these are locked, so that's going to be tough to see. Okay, I did find a case that's open. These are Marc Jacobs sunglasses. Okay, so regular $165, they're at $69.97. These are really nice. Okay, I did find these. These are by Vince Camuto. The regular price is $75. These are $24.97. Okay, these are actually by Oscar de la Renta. These are a pretty sunglass. But I do love the tortoiseshell. These are $39.97. So you can see they have the Saint Laurent. They've got Gucci, Versace, Tom Ford. This is definitely locked up, so I'm not going to be able to show these to you as far as like holding them. Let me see if I can zoom in on one of the pricing. That one says $199.97. Okay, and then just quickly, they have Cole Haan, and they also have Ray-Ban. And like I mentioned, they have 25% off the red tag. So some Christmas items that I'm seeing. Let's see if this is under that. Yeah, so this is regular $58.65. Lash and Brow Vibes. Oh, it says Grande Drama. Okay, now I am a big fan of Jimmy Choo, and they have the fragrance set. Here is $74.97. You can see the 2 bottles and then the lotion. There's a pretty little bracelet, also by Vince Camuto. This says $19.97, but there isn't a red tag on it. And I do see this 12 days of charms. Oh, this is kind of cute. This would be a cute gift. This would be kind of sweet just to hang on to till next year. So this is $13.96 minus 25% off. Okay. And here we have the little bubble monogram. This is an M. This is $13.96. That one was more of a polished look. This one looks like it has tiny little rhinestones on it. I like the way it shimmers. So this one is also $13.96 minus the 25% off. Okay, so a lot of these gift sets that are on sale, like if you have some birthdays coming up or celebrations, like this set right here has a little jewelry dish, has a credit card holder, a couple of bracelets, and then a little purse charm. And this one is going for $17.47. Take off another 25% off. And this one also comes in black, except instead of bracelets, it looks like you get necklaces. This is super cute. I like it. And this is by Argento Vivo. This is sterling silver. You get 2 necklaces. I'm trying to see if there's a price on it, and I don't see it. It says $19.97, but it is in with the 25% off. So that was very dainty and pretty. Okay, I found another necklace, and you can see the 4 little charms on there. I'll try to bring it up close so that you can look at it. It says cubic zirconia. So let's see if I can find the price on it. So the regular price on that is $24.97. And of course, they do have a lot of jewelry that is not on sale. So let me just show you a few items, like this pretty ring, big pearl with 2 smaller ones. This one is going for $15.97. Okay, so here they have a set of 3 earrings. This is going for $17.97. And like I mentioned, I haven't been to Nordstrom's Rack in so long. Fun, it feels like a playground. Here you have a set of rings. This one has 5 rings. Oh, it's 1 ring with different heights to make it look like a multiple set. So this is $19.97. I actually like that. And I'm trying to see if there's anything that stands out so that I can show you. Okay, I did find this bracelet. I thought this was pretty unique looking. It's actually stretchy. This is by Natasha, and this one is $17.97. And you can see the detail on that. And like I said, it is stretchy. Okay, I did run into some handbags. Look at this faux fur one, and I love that buckle. How much is this going for? This is by BCBG, and this is $32.97. And you can see the regular price on that was $88. And if you happen to have a Nordstrom's Rack near you, definitely check them out. If you're looking for an elegant evening handbag, like this one right here, they've got a lot of rhinestone ones. This one's really pretty with the gold chain. This one is Jessica McClintock, and this one is going for $34.97. That's really good. Oh, this is cute. This is a Ted Baker. The small little bag. It does have a chain, but it does have the little handles here. And the price on this one is $69.97 compared to the regular price at $139. And if you're looking for regular handbags, they have those here too. This is a Kate Spade for $89.97. And you can see the regular price on that was $329. And here's another Kate Spade. This one has the adjustable chain handle, and this one is $99.97, and you can see the regular price on that was $3.49. Could go through these because these are all Kate Spade. That one's really cute. This one is $99.97. As soon as I grabbed this handbag, I knew it was going to be Steve Madden. So this one is on clearance for $19.43. 48 cents. Yeah, 48 cents. The regular price on that one was 58. So they have that one in blue and in a green. Now I did find this Michael Kors handbag. You can see it has like a canvas type strap on here. And this one is going for $99.97. The regular price was $298. And here's another one from Michael Kors. It feels like patent leather. I don't know if that's what it is, but it does have an adjustable strap. And the regular price on that was $258. It's going for $79.97. I have that same bag, but in a burgundy color. I did want to come down the shoe aisle. Look at these boots. Oh, they're so pretty. I love that soft brown suede with the black. Okay, you can see the zipper right there on the side. This is by a brand called Paolo. And these are going for $89.97. Okay, they have these cute ballet slippers. These are by Tommy Hilfiger. And these are $39.97. If you're looking for more of a loafer, here's this one right here. This one is by a brand called Rothy's, and this is going for $79.97. And here's another loafer. This is more of a patent leather. This is by Franco Sarto, and this is going for $59.97. Now, I did find these fun Adidas shoes. These are Gazelle. Cute little platform on here. These are $69.97. I thought these were really nice. These are by Under Armour. These are the Hover design, and this one is going for $59.97. And I'll show you one more pair of sneakers. These are by Skechers. These are slip-ins, and these are going for $49.97. And if I happen to see anything else that kind of stands out as I'm walking by, I want to head over to the clothing department and see what they've got. It has like a tapestry feel to this one. These are $99.97. Look at that heel. That's a really unique heel. I'm not getting very far, and I keep looking at shoes. Okay, these are $29.97. These are by Anne Klein. And I did see that they carry Crocs as well. Let's see how much these are going for here. $49.97. Now, I did happen to notice this rack. It's by Lucky Brand. There's a lot of Valentine's Day themed items. Okay, I just got to notice that my phone battery is about to die, so I may have to come back and finish this video. So this is $29.97. Let's quickly scan through here before it shuts off. Came back to Nordstrom's with a fully charged phone. Let's go inside. I know we left off with clothing, but I happen to be walking by the fragrances, so I wanted to swing by and see what they've got. Now, I do see that they have Burberry, and some of the pricing was a little difficult to see, so I'm going to point out the fragrances, like the Burberry one. Here we have Versace. They actually have various Versace ones, and you can see that right through the glass. Here we have the Yellow Diamond. Okay, so that one you can see at $75.97. And here's another Versace one. This is the Yellow Diamond. This is in the blue box. This one's $89.97. And they also carry Michael Kors. The taller box is the XY Amber, and then the one right next to it is the Michael Kors Gorgeous. And as you can see, they have plenty of the Chloe fragrances. And then moving right along, they've got this one right here, which is Dolce & Gabbana. And then right next to that, they have the Clinique My Happy collection. Okay, then down here, they've got the Lancome, and you get 2 bottles of perfume. And that is actually priced at $29 right at the front. And then on the other side, they have the men's fragrances, and as you can tell, they had Versace, they have Boss, Dolce & Gabbana. They also have the My Burberry Black, along with Clinique and then Calvin Klein. Now, I did happen to notice that they had quite a few more of the women's fragrances than they did the men's. Okay, so let's head back over to the women's department. Now, I saw these blouses. They're absolutely beautiful. They're by Adriana Papel. And look at the little flower cutouts on here. They actually have like a 3-dimensional design. Now, the blouse itself is very sheer, so you definitely want to wear something underneath that. But I'll bring this up close so that you can see the flower detail on the blouse itself. And the price on this blouse is $49.97. And along with the ivory color, they also have it in blue and they also have it in black. I did find this very beautiful sleeveless sweater. It's a light knit. This one is also by Adriana Papel, and this one is $26.97. But this burgundy color has just been very dominant this winter. And I love the pearls and the rhinestones along the neckline. Now, I have mentioned this in past videos, but I'm a big fan of denim jackets. And this one is no exception. I love the collar. It's that faux fur. Just gives it a little bit of a unique look to it. Now, I'll bring this up close. And the price on this is only $49.97. And I'll turn this around so that you can see what it looks like. But the design itself is really the collar. And here's another jacket right next to it. It does have that Sherpa lining on the inside. The outside is a faux leather. It's not quite as soft, but it is still a really nice jacket. And the price on this jacket is $79.97. And I'll open it up so that you can see the inside. Now let me know what you think of this coat. It's by Bernardo, and the price on this coat is $79.97. But take a look at this coat. I'll bring it up close, but it is corduroyed, and it is incredibly soft. And as you can tell, it is fully lined. And look at this beautiful tortoiseshell buttons. I just love the design on this, and I didn't know if this is something you all would want to wear, but look at all the details. It's intricate, it's gorgeous. I think for the price, it's pretty good. What do you think? I ran into this gold sequin dress. Now, I did keep looking for evening dresses. I didn't find too many, but I did want to show you this one. And this one is priced at $46.97. And I'll back this up just a little so that you can see what it looks like. Since we are ending the holiday season and going into Valentine's Day, they are starting to stock up. So I did find this camisole and short set. So this really silky pajama set. And as you can tell, the lace does have heart designs on it. And I'll bring this a little closer so that you can see what it looks like. But the lace is very delicate and pretty. The lace is also on the shorts. Now the regular price on these are $58, and they are going for $24.97. And as you can see, they also have it in pink and they have it in black. And I did find another silky pajama set with the little shorts. This is a violet color with tiny little hearts all over, and this one is also going for $24.97. I was just about to walk away and happened to notice that they also have it in blue. And here are more of their new arrivals. These are other pajama sets, but these are pants pajama sets. You can see the little Valentine's Day hearts that are embroidered on there, and these are going for $34.97. Another big brand that's pretty popular right now is Kitsch, and they happen to have that here at Nordstrom's Rack. Let me show you some of their products, like these seamless elastic hair ties. And I'll back this up just a little so that you can see they have quite a bit. And here they have a set of 6 scrunchy satin ties, and these are going for $10. I'm going to go ahead and let you keep watching, but I am going to start making my way out of the store. This has been absolutely fun. I'm grateful that I got a chance to come back and finish filming the video. Let me know in the comments if there was something specific that you want me to come back and video for you and maybe I didn't show enough of. I don't think that belongs there. But anyway, let me go ahead and finish showing you a few more things. But just as a reminder, if you have not subscribed, make sure that you do so, and also hit that notification bell so when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. All right, have an absolute wonderful night, and I will see you in the next one.